alleged link with the ISI and the Pakistan.
It is, you see, this is a developing situation. More and more information is emerging. Now it has been, we have definite information that Srimati Elizabeth Gogoi has visited Pakistan even after her marriage. Whether she visited along with the MP or single, those things has to be ascertained. Various deep information are coming up. Tomorrow, Assam government, Assam cabinet is going to have its meeting. Probably in that meeting, we are going to take a decision of creating a SIT, because until and unless regular case is not registered, we will not be able to verify the passport and visa of the alleged person involved in this. We will also examine the entire ecosystem, the sympathizers who are there in this entire ecosystem. We are going to bring a detailed inquiry. Tomorrow after the cabinet, I will be in a situation to say you more. Now also we have to examine whether during that period there was attempt by ISI to infiltrate into the office of Chief Minister of Assam. That has also to be examined now.